Here is the uncomfortable truth AP Human Geography, Unit 4, wants you to grasp. Whoever draws the district lines often decides who wins the election before a single vote is cast. That is gerrymandering, and on the AP exam, it shows up as a question about how boundaries change power, not how they look on a map. Gerrymandering is the drawing of electoral district boundaries to give one political party, group, or interest an unfair advantage in elections. The key word there is unfair. Lines have to be redrawn after every census because populations shift, but gerrymandering is when that redrawing is bent to lock in a result. This is the trap students fall into. Redistricting is the legal process of redrawing district boundaries when population changes after a census. Gerrymandering is when that process is abused to favor one side. Redistricting is the tool. Gerrymandering is the misuse. Never label every map redraw as gerrymandering on the FRQ. Two techniques carry almost every AP question on this topic. Packing crams a group's voters into one district where they win by a huge margin, wasting their extra votes. Cracking splits a group's voters across many districts so they cannot win a majority in any of them. The memory hook is simple. Packing piles voters together. Cracking breaks them apart. The clearest evidence of gerrymandering is a vote seat mismatch. That happens when a party wins, say 48% of the votes, but ends up with 70% of the seats. The math does not lie. When seat share does not track vote share, the district map is doing the work. Always cite this gap in your FRQ answer if the stimulus gives you the numbers. The College Board's favorite trap is the strange-looking district. A weird shape is not automatic evidence of gerrymandering. Some odd shapes follow rivers, coastlines, or real community boundaries. To win the point, you must explain the political effect. Are voters being packed? Are they being cracked? Is there a vote seat mismatch? Shape alone is never enough. Explain what the lines do to power.
You can drill 30 flashcards and 25 AP-style questions on gerrymandering in under 15 minutes using the link below. That is the difference between a 3 and a 5. Subscribe for new AP videos every week.